If you have watched hundreds of trading videos, but you are still not profitable yet, the problem is not lack of information. The problem is too much information. Now, one problem that most traders don't know that is the biggest problem that they find when they watch a lot of trading videos is that they jump from one strategy to the other. Okay, let's say you come to my channel, you're watching my videos about my strategy, and then you go to another person's channel, you watch the videos about another strategy. You're just going to get confused because you're not going to sit down and also understand or memorize or backtest one strategy. The only thing that is going to always come into your mind is that every time you're going to try to trade, you're going to lose. Why? Because you're going to get confused. So the more you watch many different videos, the more information you get, which is not necessary. One thing that I always tell my students is to focus on one strategy. And that's what I've been doing for all my years. I also spent many years trading from different strategies, watching different videos, moving from one channel to the other, moving from one trading group to the other. But I wasn't profitable until I focused on only one trading strategy. So I was jumping from one strategy to the other, so I got confused and I used to lose a lot of money every time I could try to trade. Because today you may wake up when the market may be sweeping liquidity, but because of confusion, you are looking for maybe support and resistance, and maybe again you're looking for double bottom, double tops, and then you end up losing because you're confused. You don't have any clear system that you're following. So most of the times when you watch different videos from different people, you end up losing because you end up getting confused. So what I would recommend most traders is to only maintain one person that you watch videos from, because everyone has a strategy that they have. Okay, I've seen many channels, they post different strategies, yes, which is not bad, but on my channel I post my strategy mostly. That's what I look at, and that's what has made me survive in the market for all these years. The other thing that confuses you from not making it and from you watching videos of different people is that you are going to change mentors every time. So today I'm mentoring you, tomorrow you go to another mentor, another day you go to the other mentor. So how are you going to combine all those mentors to come up with one thing? There is no way, because if I'm going to teach you my strategy, the other one is going to teach you his. So if you can't sit down and backtest one strategy, then what does that mean? It means that you're going to get confused with many strategies, and then you're going to lose money. So in order to avoid that, you have to maintain one mentor. If you choose one mentor, it's better than choosing 100 of them, because one is going to tell you this, another one is going to tell you that. So sometimes that's the way confusion comes in when someone comes into my classes and says, my mentor told me this, my mentor told me that. So I would ask you, why weren't you successful when he was telling you that?
If you are serious about mastering trading and building a profitable career, my mentorship programs are designed to take you to the next level. Profit Accelerator class. Receive a free instant $10,000 funded account. No challenge required. Mastermind access. Receive an instant $100,000 funded account. No challenge required. Inside the mentorship, you will learn liquidity sweep strategies, my $10,000 weekly profit strategy, sniper entries and risk management, live market analysis, personal guidance, and support. Limited slots are available. Message me now to secure your place, or tap on the link in the description below or in bio to join today.
Why weren't you profitable? So why did you come? So of course, most people don't understand that. So the reason as to why I tell you that you have to sit and learn from one mentor and then understand what he or she is telling you, and then you make it. That's how we do it. Trading is not out of luck, not out of combining a lot of things. No, it's all about combining a set of rules that you're supposed to be following. And then when you follow those rules, and then you have a clear risk management strategy, and also you have a clear way of handling the market psychology, you're having everything with you. Trust me, you're having everything with you. The other thing that I can say is that trading success comes from you mastering one strategy. That's what I put more emphasis on. Now, a lot of people, think that when someone tells them that mastering a strategy is bad, or maybe they have to combine a lot of things to come with one thing. Okay, there is no perfection in the trading markets. There is no perfection. The only thing you can do is to have a clear system that you're supposed to be following. Okay, no matter how I'm near to perfection, but I am not that perfect. Of course, I'm making some good profits, and then yes, losses come in, but our losses are so minimized depending to the profits. So you will never and never find someone who doesn't lose in trading. Yes, everyone loses, and it also, the difference between their losses is that someone has minimized the risk and another one is just going all in. So those are two differences. So if you can't protect your account, if you can't protect your account to survive for tomorrow's trade, then why are you trading? Then go for gambling instead. So we are not gambling, we are trading. So when you're having one strategy with a set of things that you're supposed to be following up and a set of things that you're supposed to be using, then I'm sure you are on your way to success. You are on your way to profitability. Trading profitability is not far from you if you only follow these things that I'm talking about. Trust me, because I have been there for some time and I know where you're stuck. Someone here might be stuck at maybe not understanding when to enter the market. Another one is stuck at maybe understanding where to close their trades from. Another one might be stuck on knowing what lot size do I use on which account size. Another one might be stuck on how do I manage risk. Another one might be stuck on how do I minimize many trades that I take. How do I control myself? So I know a lot of people do have those issues, and that's where I have passed through. So I'm talking out of experience because I know that those things do happen in the markets. So if you are one of those people who are having those issues, please just get to my mentorship and you will see how things change for you. And the other last thing that I would like to put more emphasis on is that simplicity is the way to successful trading. A lot of people have been seeing me making some trading videos of how I do trade, and then I make things simple. I wake up and I say, I'm looking for this and that, I'm looking for this and that, and then I get a trade, then I take a trade. Now, someone comes into the comment section and he starts saying, you are not talking about the other thing and also the other thing. Why are you confusing things? You don't have to confuse things. That's why you are still not profitable. You are not profitable at all. So the moment you simplify trading, that's the moment trading is going to be simple for you. Trust me. Because a lot of people, they want to learn a lot of things. Now, you see, when you come into my classes, I'll show you the only way straight to what you want. Because I'm like a doctor. When you come into my classes, I ask where you have issues from, and then I change everything to healing you. So what I do is to understand what does a student have as a problem, and then I look for the solution for that problem, and then boom. That's why you see most of my students making it in no time. So this is what I'm trying to say. When you simplify trading, having a simple strategy, having a simple way of taking trades, it's just going to be a walkover. It's just going to be something simple that you have never seen before. That's why when I'm talking about my trades that I'm taking, you think that, oh, maybe this guy is crazy. That's why every day I'm looking for at least 100, 150 pips. If I get 300 pips a day, that's fine too. You see that? And I know the fixed amount of risk that I'm not exceeding in a day. So people don't know how to do that. And they think every time you just come into trading, you just have to trade like you feel. You just have to go where the market is going. Yes, it is. But there are other things that you forget behind that are supposed to be going in hands with the markets. So why don't you simplify trading? So what I would say is that if you are tired of confusion and want to master one strategy that is going to work for you for many years, then my mentorship is open. And by the way, right now I'm giving out an offer to those who are getting into my mentorship, those who are getting into my classes. the Profit Accelerator class. Now I'm giving out a 10,000 funded account instant. It's not even for passing those challenges and all that. No, it's an instant one. So if you join, you get that. And if you join Mastermind Access, you get 100,000 USD freely instant account. You don't have to pass anything. You don't have to go through those challenges that are making you crazy and all that. So that means that in no time, when you're getting to understand what to do in the markets, you're already making profits. So it's up to you to get to classes now. By the way, there are limited slots because now many students are coming in. So soon I'll be closing up. So make sure you don't miss out. Check the link in the description or in the bio, or maybe join through my Telegram channel. You can get to talk to me either on WhatsApp, either on Telegram, and then we discuss. If you want discounts, we can talk. If you want anything that you want, just be free and ask me. All right, let's have a great time together, and then you learn, you become a great trader soon. And if this video has been so good for you and it has opened your eyes a little bit, just like, subscribe, and comment to the video below, and then I'll see how I'm impacting many lives, and also I'll keep on making more videos that are going to be helping you. All right, have a great time.